Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to broadcast WhatsApp message for your physiotherapy center. If you run a physiotherapy center, then manually responding to all the queries related to treatment packages and appointments can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a template message which will be broadcasted and sent to the respective contact list on the scheduled time. Now, if you want to learn how to create this broadcast message, then let me take you to my screen. Here we have sent our broadcast for Physiotherapy Center with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this broadcast, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. So here our predefined template message appears like this to all the contacts in our broadcast. Here we have created this broadcast message for our physiotherapy patients to remind them of all the discounts and deals going on till 9th of July. So if you want to create a similar broadcast message for your particular contact list, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow, and for that we have to open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now, to send broadcast messages, we have to access the broadcast feature from here. Click on it and then to add new broadcast, click on Add Broadcast. So here we are choosing broadcast campaign. We have to provide a broadcast name. So here I'm going to say Physiotherapy Center. In the contact list, I'm going to select physiotherapy patients. To create contact list, you have to access the contacts feature and you can create your contact list from here. Now, once you've added your contact list, we can send either pre-approved messages or regular messages. So here I'm going to send pre-approved template messages. When we click on Select WhatsApp Template, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can select any template to send to the user. Here I'm going to select this physiotherapy template. I'm going to click on Done and here I've added all my details. To create template message, you have to access the template feature from here. To create a new template, you have to click on Add Template and then here you can choose category as marketing, utility or authentication. Let's select marketing. Here you can provide any template such as physiotherapy. From here you can select any language. I'm going to select English. Here you can provide header as welcome, and here you can provide your template message and a footer. It will appear like this to the user. If you want to make your text appear bold, you can add asterisk signs here and it will make your text appear bold. And you can provide call to actions if you want, or quick reply options, or all of them if you want. Once you're done, you simply have to submit your template and it will be approved in no time. Here I'm going to provide a username to check if template message is working or not. Then I'm going to send this test message. Now I'm going to open my WhatsApp to check whether this is actually working or not. And here we can see our template message has been appeared. That means our bulk messages and template is working. So here I'm going to simply click on add broadcast and our broadcast is created successfully. So this is how we create broadcast messages with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video. Now with the help of this broadcast, you can easily send bulk messages to the users. I hope it helped. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.